So you might be in a situation where for some reason your AirPods case is just not holding a charge. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, your AirPods case, maybe it might look like it's charging for a little bit, but over time it quickly depletes, and this can happen for a few reasons. The number one reason is that maybe, just maybe, if your AirPods themselves, let's say you're charging them up to 100% and you're, dying them down to 0%, and then you're charging your AirPods case to 100%, and you put your dead AirPods in the case, that is basically going to constantly kind of get these AirPods, you know, essentially it's going to die out your AirPod case faster because it's continuously charging your specific AirPods that are dead. So there's really nothing you can do about this. If you constantly are using your AirPods case, your AirPods themselves, then the case is just naturally going to die out faster. And that's something that I've seen a lot of people talk about. But the more you use your AirPods and you put them back in the case, the faster the case is going to die out. Now, there can also be a reason why your AirPods case is dying out, even if you're not doing that. And that can be because your iPhone has some weird issue or because your iPhone is just not updated. Now, if you have an Android or something, that can be a little bit of a different story. But what I'd recommend doing if you have an iPhone or Apple product is going through and making your way over to your settings application, going on general, clicking on software update, and literally just going through and updating your iPhone as often as you can. Now, if don't install the beta, but install the latest official version, and that can be another thing that can potentially end up fixing this problem as well. And I would highly recommend you to, kind of look into that too. Now, if that doesn't work, you may want to repair your AirPods to your iPhone. So just go ahead and repair your AirPods as you normally would. That might end up fixing it. Another thing, these AirPods may actually end up having some sort of like battery issue inside as well. So that might be another thing that I'd recommend looking into. Just go ahead and just, see if you can change this battery out or get a new AirPod case. And that's another thing I would recommend looking into as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.